Hey guys, so I just wanted to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, and I'm gonna sing Silent Night a cappella. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright. Round young virgin, mother and child, holy infant, so tender.